Hello and welcome to my PowerPoint. Today I will be showing you how to create an ethnic design and how to apply it into SlideMaster. First, I will talk about things to keep in mind when selecting a design. Secondly, I will show you some tips when creating your design in PowerPoint. And finally, once we have our ethnic design together, I will show you how to place it into SlideMaster. When looking for an ethnic design, you want to use geometric and symmetric shapes, but you are not limited to those rules. If you feel like getting more creative with your design, go ahead and do as you please. Most indigenous tribes tend to use the same shapes such as diamonds, triangles, squares, and so on. If we type native designs into Google, we already have some decent patterns we can use for our design. For example, these designs in the top bar are all made with simple shapes, but put together have made interesting designs. Something to keep in mind when borrowing designs from Google is to make sure you are giving credit to the creators, whether it is a culture, tribe, or an individual. For my ethnic design, I will be using a more simple pattern that is commonly used in my tribe. Once you have PowerPoint open, you can upload your design and crop it if needed, which is what I'm doing now. You can also expand the picture by using the shape tool. I outlined one of the triangles. Obviously, since my design is hand-drawn, it's not going to be exactly the same shape. Now that I have my based triangle, I will rearrange it to the shape I want and just copy and paste it so I can have the same exact triangle for the rest of my design. Here I'm grouping the shapes together so I can just copy and paste the triangles and finish my design. This is what's nice about having a symmetric shape. Once you have your desired design, I grouped everything back together so I could change the color, resize it how I want. Once you have finished creating your ethnic design, you will copy and paste it into SlideMaster. To get into SlideMaster, you will click View on the top bar of PowerPoint and then click into SlideMaster. We will only be using the first two slides on the left bar. I will be using my ethnic design to create a border on the bottom of the slide. On this slide, any edits that you make will replicate onto the rest of your slides that you add to your presentation. Here you're able to change the font, color, size of text, and it'll replicate onto any slides that you add to your presentation, so you don't have to go into your slide and edit it one by one. The second slide is called the title slide layout, and here we are going to be putting our ethnic design in the corner. This will only show up on the title slide, unlike the other slide we were working on earlier. And when you close Slide Master, your presentation will look like this, with your ethnic design in the corner, and then if you look to the left, your ethnic design at the bottom of the slides. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my presentation.